Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up your MeiboVue device and the VisuDoc software, so you can start capturing high-quality meibomian gland images and manage patient data efficiently. Double-click VisuDoc icon to open the software. Input default account name, admin and password 12345678 to sign in. Switch on MeiboVue device. Click System and select Device Wi-Fi setting. Select In-Office Use. Select Clinic Wi-Fi and input password. Click Next to start network setting for MeiboVue. Then click OK. Switch MeiboVue off and then switch it on again. Then we go to Smartphone App Setting. Click Wi-Fi icon on desktop and find IPv4 address. Open VisuDoc on smartphone and click Server button. Input IPv4 address on PC and input port number as 1234. Click Test and then click OK and save. Input same account info, as in PC to sign an app. Try Capture Image to test data sync. Click Refresh icon on PC software to sync latest image. You will see data sync instantly. If you still have issues in the setup, please don't hesitate to contact us for support.